Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you on setting the date and time, printing the configuration page, and generating a toner level report on the Ricoh IM C4510 printer. Learn essential settings and reports for efficient printer management. Follow our step-by-step instructions for a smooth setup and maintenance process. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.